What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. In today's video, we are going to review the green figures, how the green figures it's doing. And guys, this project it's doing really well. Okay. One thing that I should mention, they don't invest in crypto, they invest in Forex trading. Hence, I believe the green figures, name and the green figures and the green profits. Okay, because the project since its launch, it's been doing really well. And over here we can see what's been happening since day one or day zero, shall I call it, all the way to now. Okay. If you're not familiar with green figures, I'm going to briefly explain to you how green figures works. Okay, so green figures, it's a project. So the front end looks like an ROI dApp on Binance Smart Chain, and the coin that you invest is BUSD. Okay, so you invest the BUSD into green figures. Okay, and then 100% of the TVL will go to the forex exchange, and the TVL will be withdrawn from the money will be withdrawn from the TVL on a Sunday. Okay, and they will do forex trading. Okay, so Monday to Friday they will do the trades. Okay, and then Friday, when the market closes, when the trading market closes, okay, they will bring the TVL plus the profits back to the smart contract, the TVL, and then investors and traders will get paid. So 20% will be for the team, okay, because they are putting the hard work, because trading involves a lot of time and patience and looking at the graphs and all that, okay? So you need to be 100% committed to this, okay? So they will take a 20% cut and the rest will be distributed to investors, okay? Scrolling further down, we can see how the project works. So if you're not familiar with the project, I would highly recommend you to come over here and read the white paper, okay? But essentially, over here, we got the explanation how everything works, okay? Is there anything else you should know? The minimum investment is 30 bucks, okay? So once you make your first investment, 30 bucks or more in your account, you can invest any amount. So for example, if you want to do 50-50 strategy, okay? So in one week you get like 10 bucks and you just want to deposit 5 bucks, it's cool. Okay, you can pocket the 5 bucks and deposit the other 5 bucks. Okay, essentially that's how it works. So back to the project, okay? Over here we got the dashboard. We can see the last week there was a cashback, 3% cashback until the smart contract reaches 500K. Okay, so now we got 666,000 BUSD in the smart contract, and currently we have another cashback. Okay, so for whoever deposits 1,000 or more BUSD in the project, okay, before the 750K total invested reaches, will get a 3% cash back. So meaning, so if you deposit 1,000 bucks now because we haven't reached 750K, you will get 3% of your investment. Okay, so 3% cash backs from your 1,000 bucks when the TVL is reached. In the meantime, you just gotta wait and see. Okay. Over here, we can see the total users, 811 users, total profit, 88,000 bucks, which is a lot. And then over here on this side, we have the investors details, my details, okay? So current balance in my wallet is 32 bucks, okay? Total invested 100 bucks, investor total profit 24 bucks, and available profit from the past week, we got 5.82 bucks. And what I'm gonna do, I am gonna claim this 5 bucks. Okay, so you come over here, you whoop, what's going on? Probably will have to refresh the page. Let me reload. And let's try one more time. So you come over here, you hit withdraw. My ledger is disconnected. Maybe that's why. But anyway, guys, you get the. I'll check it out later because I don't want to pause the video and continue that later. Okay. So yes, you get the idea. So you hit withdraw or compound. Okay. Hold on. Okay, I know why it wasn't working because my ledger was not connected. Okay. So that's why it's very important to use a ledger. So let me just quickly confirm on my ledger, and the gas fee should go through. Okay, so we're just waiting for the confirmation, and boom, voila. Okay, so now we can see that my current balance has changed. So I've got 38 bucks in my wallet, and total profit is 30 bucks. So that means I invested 100 bucks and I am 30% ROI. Okay, and over here we can see the past profits. So damn, this project's been, tomorrow is going to mark a month, 30 days the project's been up and running. And over here we can see the stats, how the project has been performing. Okay, and over here we can see the current estimated profit this week. Okay, 5.86% or 4.69 profit. Okay, down here we can see the referral link. So once you make your first deposit, you got the referral link, copy, share it, social media, friends, family, whoever joins the platform under your referral link, you will get a referral commission, but not from the person's deposit, but from profits. Okay, so you'll get a share of the profit. So for example, if I have 10 bucks of profits, okay, you will get 2% from my profits. Okay, so that means you will get like 0.20 cents, something like that. Okay, I believe so. And over here we got the referral list, referred, etc. Okay, green figures investments. Over here we can see my investment history. Okay, 100 bucks, profit earned and profit claims. Okay, and down here, if you want to withdraw your capital, all you got to do is hit request, and boom, the money. It will take them 8 days to approve your refunds or approve your request, and then after that the money will be sent back to your wallet. Okay, and lastly we have the green figures complete tutorial. Okay, but it's not complicated, and this is the easiest way you can find to invest in Forex trading. Okay, this is the easiest way. So let's have a quick peek at the trades. So over here we can see the live trades, right? And we can see over here the profitability is 82 wins and 82. So is what do you call it? 82% wins and 18% losses. Okay, so that's a really, really good trade um, statistics. Okay, and over here we can see every single thing. Okay, I'm not going to go into detail because there's a lot of information right here, so you can come over here yourself and check it out. Okay, and everything is over here discriminated, right? So but essentially that's that, guys. Green figures, it's doing really well, so we cannot complain about green figures. Okay, so far so good. So stay tuned in for the next one. All the links going to be down in the description. Peace.